one very visible area is, so generative AI can generate new content. That content could be text, it could be images, it could be video, it could be music, it could be code, right? So programming languages, coding languages are kind of have a structure to them. And so one of the first areas we've seen is developer productivity through these co-pilot programs, these kind of virtual assistants that proactively monitor what a developer or engineer is doing and help them. And that's leading to increases in productivity that are anecdotally, between 40 to 50%, which is huge if you think about it, right? So software development has been a specialized domain with scarcity of good talent for as long as I can remember. And today we're seeing this ability to not only make the great software developers much more productive, but to make more people who would have been intimidated or not pursued software development become software developers, which we need because fundamentally every company is becoming a software company. And every software company needs to embrace AI if they want to stay relevant.